Nagsama-sama ang DILG, DOJ, PNP at NBI sa pagpapaliwanag ng digital forensic analysis ng kumalat na peking video ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Malaki umano ang pagkakaiba ng tainga ng Pangulo kumpara sa lalaking nasa video.
So as you can see, no, from the two photos that were presented as done spectral analysis from the video spectral analysis, you can see that this is the triangle notch here are embossed compared here, which is not that embossed. Also, the intertriangle notch is larger here. This is narrower on this picture. Also, the anti-triangles here is more embossed as compared here, which is not embossed. So it means this picture is definitely not the same.
Ikaw naniniwala ka ba na totoo ang video na ito o sadyang deepfake lamang? Please comment down below.